Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. I will show you in this video how to use more in detail zoom feature, and I will continue to show you in this chapter. So, for example, I have this image in my background and I want to insert slide here using zoom feature. So I will go, I can add a section or slide. So I will add the section, insert, zoom, I can add the section, for example, this one. Here I put it in my desktop, okay, my computer. Now, what I can do, here as you can see I have new menu, it is zoom. In this menu I have zoom background. I think the name of this feature it isn't good. You will see why. I think when I click, look, the background will be removed with the image that I have. I think it will be a remove background here, not zoom background. I think it's more comprehensive. So here is what I can do with zoom background. I remove the background of my slide. Now I can click, so I can see my animation. So I am here, as you can see. I want to see this slide. I just click, and here is my slide. Okay, with your background, of course. It's very amazing feature. Now you can change. It is an advanced feature that we show you how to do this. Don't worry. So here is what we can do with zoom background. For example, we have this not in your dashboard, and you want, when you finish your presentation, you want to ask your viewers which slide you want to get more information, or you haven't understand something. So you added some slide here using the zoom. I will do it. I will show you the results. Very powerful. So here we will use insert slide zoom, and I will show, for example, I have how many I will make 3: blue, green, and this orange. Okay. Now if I go to the zoom, I can't make zoom background because there are multiple here. I must do it one by one. So, but before this, I will make this slide here like this. So let's reduce the quality and the resolution. Oops. Like this, to put it just in the note. Good. And this one I put it from here, but also make it from here like this. You will see how it is powerful, this feature. Tack. I don't know if it's yeah, something like, no, not good. Yeah, like this. And this one I put it here, same rotation, like this, something like this. So when I finish, for example, my presentation, I will ask the student or viewers which slide here you want to get more information, etc., etc. Okay. Now I remove the background. I will use zoom background to get as a preview, as you can see. Zoom background, same thing. And here I think it is white. I don't know if I left it or no. No, it is not white. So something like this. Now when I start my presentation here, look, this one will be normal. Look, so you start with this one. Good. Here is it. And now look for the next. Not this one. Where is it? Where is it? I will start again. I think it is the last one. So if I click in this one, look here. Do you see this animation? The rotation is automatic. It's back in the. It is automatic, like the previous slide, the initial slide. So PowerPoint will do it automatically for you. It's very powerful. So I can make the left button. That is the next one. you can click with the left button, huh? Okay, to jump between the slide, because this one I have started with him. It is the last one. When I have inserted, it is the last one. That's why I have jumped directly to the next slide. So I will do it again. Look here. So it is the first slide that I have selected. Now to go to the next one, clicking the left in your mouse. You see the animation, it is automatic. The rotation is automatic. And the last one is this one. Very, very good. So why I have, when I click, I have said, when I have clicked this one, I have jumped to the next slide. Why? So I'll do it. Here, when I have clicked this one, when I have made click, I have jumped to the next slide. I mean this one. Why? Because when I have made an insert, zoom slide, the orange, it is the last one. I have selected this one, the first, the second, and this one, it is the last one. That's what PowerPoint jump directly to the next slide. It is slide 8. Okay, so now I think you have an idea what you can make with the zoom feature. It is very, very powerful. You can remove the background of your slide. You can add this pretty animation about the rotation. And here is an idea. When you finish your slide, you can add this dashboard, not dashboard, to ask your student which information you need in detail, etc., etc., and you can go to directly the desired slide. I will continue to show you another thing in this chapter about zoom and morph. So stay with me, follow this course, subscribe to my channel Faisal Azib, and follow me on Instagram teams.winners and Faisal.chico, and Telegram Learn, Practice and Share. Take care of us. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.